Hi everyone, it's Maya
and Bella,
and we're back for another season of planting. So today we're going to be planting classic begonia mix. So the first plant we're going to be putting in the basket is the begonia non-stop deep salmon. I don't think any of these have blooms yet, but it's a really pretty color. And
then we have Bacopa Big Falls White. These ones are starting to bloom, just a cute little white flower. And this is an English ivy. So first we're going to start with the Bacopa, and we're just going to make a hole and put that right in the middle.
So next we're going to put in the 3 salmon colored begonias, and we're going to put it in a triangle formation. Just like that. And when we plant them, we always make sure that the leaves are pointing outwards so that when they grow, it'll kind of grow over the basket. And just like that.
And then we're going to add the English ivy. Again, 3 of them pointing outwards in the triangle formation. Oops.
All right, is that everything?
Yeah.
So after it's planted, it should look like that. So we've got the 3 begonias and then the 3 ivy and then the bacopa in the middle. And now we just put the hanger on.
Yeah, that looks better.
I think this is it. They'll be ready in May. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye. What is it called? Deb, what is this called?
Classic begonia mix.
Okay. Should we just restart?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Tyler was also looking.
Classic begonia mix. Okay.
You go first.
No, I don't even know what to say.
It doesn't help when you're looking at us.
Yeah. We're like, hi.
Hi.
I forget what we do.
Just be like, Tyler needs to leave.
Oh, this is stressful. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Should I go?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone, it's Maya.
And Bella.
And today we're going to be planting, no.
Classic.
Okay. No. Okay. And yeah, so I'll show this one. So this, I have no idea what the tag is. What's this called?
This is
salmon?
the non-stop deep salmon begonia.
So the first, no. So the center of our basket, we're gonna have one hole, and that is where we're gonna put the bacopa. We need a fork for this. I don't have my apron.